What's up, you guys? Kyle here, and today we're going to be doing some awesome stuff. We're going to be working on the office. We're going to be looking at the layouts. We're going to be working on the construction plans and all that good stuff, but we're also potentially buying a car. My brother just called me, told me, hey, I've got this potential car if you want to buy it, and I've really been itching to do a rebuild slash flip project thing for YouTube because I've only done like iPhone photos before and I've never really documented it. So I want to show you guys kind of an insider look at what's possible and kind of what I've done in the past because it's a lot of fun for me and I would like to show you. So I hope you guys are ready, and today will be a good, exciting, very long day, but it'll be fun. So with that being said, I'll see you guys soon. How are you?
Who are you?
Very good.
Do you have this, the full screen? You do, right?
Touchscreen and shit?
CarPlay?
Oh, no. What the
I got
fuck?
full screen.
Damn, doggy. I have the whatever fucking.
The one that comes with BMW?
My car is 2 years old now. It was 10/17 as a build date. So yeah. Oh, you coded it in? That's dope. You like it?
I love it.
Yeah?
I just had to plug in the Wi-Fi and connect my car didn't have Wi-Fi.
Oh, really?
To boost the signal.
Oh, shit. For sure. That's dope. That's dope. Where you guys going? Corrido? Boy?
Buffalo Wild Wings, I think.
Damn.
I kind of want some jam and jalapeno wings.
Doggy's gonna be stuck in the bathroom later.
I can handle it.
Alright, well, let me know. We're gonna check up upstairs real quick. So.
It's a nice space.
It's good, right? I think it's a good, like, empty slate. Oh, yeah. Yeah. What do you think about, I mean, these they built, somebody built for them, whatever. This stuff, there's plenty of other, I can show you. I mean, it'll take some man labor to move the stuff, but it's just like overshoots. I'll show you what we're working with. You'll see kind of what I was talking about. This would need to be like sealed up somehow to like eliminate as much noise from there as possible.
Do you still need access here?
No, I'm thinking like either foaming it up or something. I mean, at first, once the build is done, then I want to close it. Because if we're moving shit, you could slide a lot of shit in through here, which would be nice. But after the move, then no access is needed.
Well, number one thing, let's just put the sealer around.
On the other side?
Yeah.
Oh, because it's going to be opening this way anyways, right? Yeah. If it would take, whatever eliminates,
Yeah.
because there would be no noise if that's eliminated, right?
You put it here, you put a strip here.
But I have this. I'm gonna move all this shit, obviously, and over here. This is useless space. It's loud, whatever. They have the old lift in here, so this can all be, those boxes can all be stacked here. So minimal movement. The only thing is those shelves. I don't know if it's gonna be a pain in the. They can be disassembled and not put back, or they can be disassembled and you know what I mean? Like. For example, like maybe, I know they're drilled into the concrete. This could always be pushed or whatever, moved, and then they could be like reinstalled here and packed tightly. The question is it worth moving some of the stuff and keeping any of these and painting these like black? Because I'll need some like shelving for gear, right? Like lenses, whatever. And I don't know if it's worth like, these are already drilled into the fucking walls. I don't know which wall you would recommend because this wall is more bare cinder blocks and this is like, has shit on here. So maybe this is the better one to keep up, if at all.
VIP service, man. Cool.
No, too. What's up, Anthony?
How could you bake something that's like super clear? Like, what the fuck is this? Is it like a spaceship? Yeah. Would you make, let's say, a speaker to be here, make it like a pyramid, for example?
I would still fire it straight back,
Straight back, okay, got it.
but just because you're gonna get a better wave. What we could do is have this so we're filming out here. We got Joey
What's up,
out here ready for his interview.
First YouTube video?
Oh yeah, George's introduction to YouTube.
Oh man.
Here we
How's the
go.
office coming along?
It's coming.
Good, good.
George is the supplier of the office material.
Well, you know, last company didn't go so well, so might as well give it to
the
Kyle over
What
here.
about the company before that one?
Which company before that one?
The one before the last.
Oh,
company.
that one did pretty well, but I'm getting back into it.
All right, let's do it. We're at work. Jack is here. Let's see what he's doing. Dude living his best life as always.
Vlogging it up. I got my camera too, bro.
Go follow Jack on his vlog.
Jack No C actually.
Popping off.
Damn, look at this guy.
How do you spell it, dude?
So guys, remember earlier when we came in here and I had a bunch of shit on my desk? Yeah, look where it is now.
See, Jack's not on the field today. He's excited to have the new office.
Yo, what do you think about your desk, bro? I did a little setup there.
Nice.
Nice.
Good. Jack obviously set me up, hooked me up really nicely.
Hard at work, guys.
There's a bunch of stuff. I'm glad to
Whatever
see
you're working, your boss comes in, you have like a couple tabs open, so you just switch them up real quick.
it. Yeah. All right.
Damn,
well,
why do you look so good?
let's
Alright, you
start
gotta come show me what's going on. Am I looking bigger? Woo!
Yep.
Alright guys, I'm in the office. This is the office. Let's see.
In the office, you guys obviously can see that's not very different from the last time we were here because we've been doing some planning.
Alright, so run me down. What do you want to
So here's what we're gonna do, bro. We'll take you guys along for the ride. Jack's gonna move all this stuff. Yeah. Yeah.
Holy shit.
Hell yeah.
You know what Saturday is for?
What?
Overtime. That means pays times 2.
I think it's time and a half. Jack's out here, got the ADD,
ADD. Hey,
rocking the
number one
Dobrik
camera
style.
ever, bro.
It really is. It's a great
On
camera.
the fucking Sony boat. He's like, oh bro, Sony.
We're trying the Sony out A7 III 2470 2.8 G master lens. Solid setup, really good
When
for
you
low
want
light.
something smart and technical, you go A7 321i 73.
Well, the reason we like this is because it's got the full frame look, really good in low light. It's good for photos and videos.
If you want to spend $5,000, guys, get that camera. If you want to spend $1,000 and get like basically the same footage, get the ADD.
Yeah. 80 is great camera for the money. The best camera for the money,
The
honestly.
best camera for the money.
Got Dylan here, M5 limo.
Taking pictures or what?
Got that One Direction flow going on.
Yeah.
Dig it. Kind of looks like Harry Styles.
Who's that?
I have this idea to make this crazy video for 1,000 subscribers.
What's it about?
Like overblow the idea of getting 1,000 subscribers because it took me 12 years. My first YouTube video I put up in 2007. Looks like I have to get the second oil change. Looking good. Up front street parking. Downtown Elmhurst. This thing's looking good. Gonna have to do a review on it soon, or at least a kind of in-depth look. These cars have gotten really priced well after they depreciated a bit from new. Almost like, I don't know, 30-40% cheaper a couple years later, so it can't go wrong. Look at how good that looks. Looking good, Zane. Let's have him out here in a second.
I'm gonna turn the heated seats on.
Nice. This has heated seats in it?
Yeah, heated.
Let's hear it. Let that cold start. So guys, not gonna be the craziest update because I've been running around, but have been making progress. Jack was killing it earlier. I had some stuff to do, but this weekend's gonna be super hectic with moving stuff. So we're back at the office. Jack was able to move a majority of these boxes. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but it's actually quite a bit when you have to move them down the stairs and kind of organize them again, kind of periodically. So it's still, everything's still organized. But with that being said, progress being made. Tomorrow all day, we're gonna be working on this, getting it all cleared out. Construction is gonna start Monday. Well, at least the beginning of construction. We decided to put a whole curtain across this. This is all gonna be moved, but this will kind of be like the ugly storage. Because the wall behind, if you see, is just kind of like not the best. It's kind of like ugly. There's a bunch of stuff on it. Figured this is a good, nice wall. Could be used for video, whether it's painted or not. It's flat, it doesn't really have much on it. There's only like a little bit of conduit. But this is a nice wall, so these will all come down. And then these will be cleaned up. But we're gonna run a black curtain all the way down here, all the way past this window to cut out this light, probably, most likely, and then maybe even up until here. Only thing I haven't decided yet is if I want to invest more money into putting like a dividing wall here to here that's like completely soundproof. The reason I want the soundproofing is because, like I said, I want to build that studio. Trying to figure out if the echo is going to be too bad in here or not. I do want to have it to be as good as possible, but if it's going to cost like tens of thousands of dollars to put a wall up or however much and make it all work and put the soundproofing in, then I might opt out of that. But we're going to make the best of what we can, and I'm trying to do it kind of ASAP. So Monday, Wednesday, and Friday's video, I'm hoping by midweek next week, maybe even Friday, we can have not a final update, but a much more intense update. I just kind of wanted to go over some of the stuff we're doing. A lot of this moving stuff is tedious and annoying because you gotta, get all this crap moved out. I know it kind of looks the same as it did before, but that's the plan. These guys are gonna get taken down, torn down. This is gonna get moved in the morning. These are gonna be moved in the morning. Desk will be set up tomorrow in the morning. Well, afternoon, we're gonna get all that extra stuff. And I'll show you guys in here. Here's where everything went. As you can see, everything's nicely organized. It's got lines to walk through. Jack did a great job with moving all this stuff. So it didn't look like all that much up there, but it's actually quite a bit of stuff. And I know this is annoying, and you guys have probably seen this stuff plenty of times already, but I just kind of want to show you guys the process of making something like this work. My big overall underlying message here, the reason I want to document this whole process in the first place is just because I feel like I've done a lot of things that I didn't know were going to work at first, or I didn't know how they were going to work, but I eventually figured them out. And not to say I know how to do things the best way by any means, but I do know how to slowly figure out how to do something, but it's all by immersion. So I want to show you guys kind of what that immersion looks like, even if it's just moving some boxes. And I guarantee you, like I said in the last video, it'll be even cooler as we go on. And hopefully you guys can look back at these videos and say, hey, I know the idea changed over time, but this end product is the best it could possibly be because you put in these different, aspects. So as you can see, as always, nice messy desk filled with camera gear and stuff like that. But I've got 2 commercials to finish by Monday that I've been working on for quite a while. So hopefully I can get those done. Well, need to get those done. And we got the whole upstairs to finish. So this weekend's gonna be filled with work. So Monday's video should be kind of cool and very far progressed from here. So that being said, guys, happy Friday, and I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, like if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, subscribe mean the absolute world to me. About to hit 1,000, super pumped for that. Drop a comment down below with anything you'd like to see in the future, anything you want to go specific into, or if you absolutely hate the updates and they're just too boring. I don't know, maybe they are. But with that being said, guys, as always, thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.